In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover deleted WhatsApp chats without backup, therefore without wasting any of your time. Let's jump to the video. If you have accidentally deleted some chats on WhatsApp and now you want to recover them but you do not have a backup, then what you have to do is to click and hold on this WhatsApp logo, go to app info, then go to storage and cache. Now click on this clear cache option. Once you have done that, what you need to do is to close your phone settings and open your file manager. Go to all files, then go to internal storage, Android, media, scroll down and click on com.whatsapp, WhatsApp, go to databases. Now select all these files, click on copy and go back to the previous folder, then go to backups and paste all those files here. Once you have done that, your deleted chats on WhatsApp will be recovered without backup. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.